Good morning, Dr. John Preo here again. Today we'll be answering another question from comment posted on our video. So this is a question from Lois. So pagklase po ba result sa medical examination required po ba ng fit to work? And yung PCOS and UTI po ba is pasok sa class C? Actually, this question is a very good question. For the first question, klase, pagklase po ba result sa medical sim? Regard po ba ng fit to work? Yes, definitely. Because sabi ko nga, yung class C is classification in the labor code of the Philippines wherein you're still fit to work but you need certain modification or accommodation in your employment. So ang mangyayari, still pwede kayo makakapagtrabaho pero pwedeng may certain accommodations like hindi kayo pwede doon sa mabibigat na trabaho or pwede rin na you'll be working only on a certain amount of time. Or pwede rin na like sa call center, hindi sila pwede doon sa mga daytime jobs or graveyard shift. So pwedeng morning lang po sila. As to the second question, ang PCOS ba and UTI is pasok sa class C? I will note that this is a very good question since yes, there are certain situations na PCOS and UTI po is pwedeng pumasok sa as class C. Kaya nga kailangan magpa-check up talaga sa doktor kasi there are certain illnesses that even though are not permanent and temporary or treatable but depende pa rin po yun sa kakayahan ng patient po. So yes, UTI can also be classified as class C or class B since meron po tayong tinatawag na uncomplicated and complicated UTI. So although the patient UTI can be temporary and not permanent, it can also be classified as severe mas severe na form po which is complicated UTI. Same din po sa PCOS if the patient exhibited no severe symptoms and hindi naman nakaka-apekto sa work, pwedeng class B lang po. Pero kung mas maraming symptoms and maraming complications, pwede po siyang class C. So I hope I answered your questions. For more questions, please post. Please like and share.